Finally, I speak Hindi. Today we're going to learn how to say I learn and I speak. You are brave, you can do this. Chalo, let's go learn Hindi.
नमस्कार, हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ एक टेबल स्पून आप सबको बहुत
Today our vocabulary words of the day are seekhna, 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 which means to learn. This, of course, is a verb and it has the na ending on it, which we will normally remove before using. Our second vocabulary word of the day is bolna, 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 which means to speak. Bolna. Again, this is also a verb and it has the na ending, so it means to speak. But normally when we conjugate it, when we put it into sentences, we will drop that na ending and we'll be left with the root of this verb, which is bol, and that is how we will use it in sentences. Our final vocabulary word of today is hindee, which means Hindi, because we want to learn how to say I learn Hindi and I speak Hindi. So our grammar key of today is मैं हिंदी सीखता हूँ. मैं हिंदी सीखता हूँ. I learn Hindi. If I'm speaking as a man. If you are a female, you would say मैं हिंदी सीखती हूँ. मैं हिंदी सीखती हूँ. And again, you should know this by now, how this grammatical structure works. If you don't, please go back and watch some of the earlier episodes or earlier videos to learn how this present tense conjugation verb endings work. But just a reminder, we add ta to the root of the verb, which our verb is seekhna, which means to learn. Before we can add anything to that, we have to take off the na ending. So we are left with seek, the root of the verb to learn. And if we are speaking as a man, if I am a man and I'm saying the sentence with मैं, with I do this or I do this or I do that, then I would add ta to the root of the verb in this present tense. So I would say seekta, learn, right? मैं हिंदी सीखता हूँ. I learn Hindi. And I still need that हूँ on the end of the sentence, which is that helping verb, am, which we wouldn't say normally in English. You know, we don't say, I am learn Hindi. But in Hindi, we say, मैं हिंदी सीखता हूँ. I Hindi learn am. I learn Hindi. It's something I do regularly on a habitual basis. All right. Now, if we were to say the same sentence as a female, if I happen to be a female, I would instead say, मैं हिंदी सीखती हूँ. मैं हिंदी सीखती हूँ. I learn Hindi. And that's because we've added the feminine tense ending for the present tense. T, we've added that onto our root of the verb seekhna, which is the root being seek. So our second grammar key for today is Kyaa aap Hindi bolte hain? Kyaa aap Hindi bolte hain? Do you speak Hindi? Now this question is being asked of a man. If we were to ask this question to a man, we have to say bol-te hain. If we were to ask this question to a woman, we would have to say bol-tee hai. So kyaa aap, remember when kyaa comes at the beginning of the sentence, it is do you. So, क्या आप हिंदी बोलते हैं? Do you speak Hindi? क्या आप हिंदी बोलती हैं? Do you speak Hindi? When we're asking a woman. All right, let's spend a minute or two drilling this and combining it with things that we've learned in previous lessons. आप क्या सीखते हैं? आप क्या सीखते हैं? What do you learn? Speaking to a man. मैं हिंदी सीखता हूँ. मैं हिंदी सीखता हूँ. I learn Hindi. Giving the answer as a man. आप क्या सीखती है? आप क्या सीखती है? What do you learn? And we're asking a woman, to which she would respond, मैं हिंदी सीखती हूँ. मैं हिंदी सीखती हूँ. I learn Hindi. आप क्या बोलते हैं? आप क्या बोलते हैं? What do you say? What do you speak? मैं हिंदी बोलता हूँ. मैं हिंदी बोलता हूँ. I speak Hindi. And again, we have asked that question to a man, and we are responding as a man. Now let's do the same for a woman. आप क्या बोलती हैं? आप क्या बोलती हैं? What do you speak? To which she would respond, मैं हिंदी बोलती हूँ. मैं हिंदी बोलती हूँ. I speak Hindi. And congratulations, now you can finally say, I speak Hindi. And you can also say, I learn Hindi. So this has been, I don't even know what day it is. I have to check. What day is it today? It is, I think, day 17 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. Thank you guys for joining, and be sure to come back again tomorrow. See you guys later. Bye.